Welcome. This is your time, a sacred pause in the busyness of life. You are allowed to stop. You are allowed to rest. Let this be a moment where nothing is expected of you except to simply be. Find a posture that feels comfortable, sitting or lying down. Let your body settle into support beneath you. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, your breath soften. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes. Now take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Feel your nervous system begin to settle. You don't need to do anything right now. You are safe. You are enough. Today's affirmation invites us to honor one of the most essential parts of healing and growth. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. Rest is not a reward, it is a right. It is not laziness, it is restoration. Speak the affirmation softly to yourself now. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. Again, more slowly, more tenderly. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. Let your body hear the words. Let them sink in. You are worthy of rest. Let's use the breath as a way to reset, to recharge. Inhale deeply. I am grateful for the opportunity. And exhale softly to rest and recharge. Again, inhale. I am grateful for the opportunity. And exhale to rest and recharge. Feel the breath move through you like a gentle wave. Let every exhale soften the edges of tension. Let every inhale nourish your tired places. This is how you restore, with presence, with care, and with compassion. Now, one more time together. Breathing in, I am grateful for the opportunity. And breathing out to rest and recharge. Now do this on your own for 3 rounds. And as you inhale, say to yourself, I am grateful for the opportunity. And as you exhale, whisper in your heart to rest and recharge. Now imagine a peaceful place, a quiet sanctuary where your body and mind feel completely at ease. Maybe it's a soft forest glade, a sun-warmed room, a cozy bed surrounded by silence. See yourself resting there. The light is gentle, the air is calm. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. You feel completely supported, like the earth itself is holding you. With each breath, your body sinks deeper into this rest. In this space, your energy is being replenished. Your nervous system unwinds. Your heart slows to a steady rhythm. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are simply in a season of rest. And rest is sacred. Now gently reflect. How often do I give myself permission to truly rest? What beliefs have you held about slowing down? What would it look like to honor your body's need for restoration without guilt or shame? Maybe rest hasn't felt productive, but in truth, it is the soil from which growth emerges. Where might you begin to welcome more pauses in your day? Where can you let go, even just a little, to make space for healing? Say the affirmation again as a quiet declaration. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. Now let's gently expand this truth together. Rest is my birthright. I give myself permission to slow down. I honor my need for restoration and stillness. My energy is sacred and worth protecting. Pausing allows me to return to myself with greater clarity. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. Let these words wash over you. Let them soften what's been holding on. Let them remind you that it is safe to stop. Now begin to bring gentle awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the surface beneath you and gently open your eyes. There is no rush here. You've given yourself a beautiful gift, the gift of replenishment. As you move through the day, carry this sense of calm with you. Notice the moments when you can pause. Notice the ways your body speaks, asking for softness, asking for care. You are allowed to rest. You are worthy of restoration. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. And as always, remember to shine your light each and every day in every way.